Indonesian fried rice. What's different about it?
Halo teman-teman saya, so pada kesempatan kali ini aku mau ngajakin kalian untuk masak nasi goreng. Jadi ini bahan-bahannya guys, ada sayuran, ini wortel, ini bawang, ini telur, ini ayam, ini ada juga kecap, terus bumbu-bumbunya dan nasi. Ini baru dimasak guys, jadi kayak masih panas banget. Tuh kan masih ngasep. Let's cooking. I don't know. Try it. I put vegetables and chicken and egg in there.
So as you can see, I got a little bit of Indonesian fried rice. The thing I like about it, it's seasoned well. The other thing I like about it is look at these little egg.
Yes.
It is very delicious. It's not. Sometimes you can get fried rice and it gets gelatinous. But if you are if you know how to make fried rice, you should fry your egg first.
Yes.
And I'd give it 2 thumbs up.
Okay, thank you, Dad.
I ate the whole thing. And then I went back and got some more. And I ate the whole thing again. Because I thought it was really tasty.
Oh, thank you.
It was good. I was so hungry and Ariella made me fried rice. It was satisfying. Thank you.
Thank you for helping too. So today we're making a cake in a mug with Mom and Emma. There is milk,
Half of this or half of
flour,
Okay, now we're putting a tablespoon of chocolate.
That's called as Mila. And my friend name is Mila. Mila and Mila. But I'm too happy.
Okay, an 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder.
Oh, do we always use baking powder in every cake?
Powder or sometimes soda.
Because it becomes like fluffy and it, you know.
You know.
You know.
Half tablespoon of milk.
One.
Let us take a picture, please. You change your expression immediately.
We need the vegetable.
The oil, what is that one?
Tells you to put it in there. Okay, now we're gonna get a fork. Mix it really a lot. Make sure you get the edges.
Completely mixed. Did we add egg to this? Are we gonna add it? We added Milo, all-purpose
Make sure you get the
flour, baking
edges like
soda.
around and like scrape it a little bit.
Okay, okay.
No, what in the did we add? Milk?
Da-da-da-da. Ooh.
That will be my from tomorrow.
And then? Oh.
The squirts of whipped cream.
Ooh.
Which one do you have?
Nice. Papa.
Thank you.
Wow.
Make us say thank you.
Ooh, it's hot. Oh, whipped cream. And we put. Oh, but my God. Oh.
What do you use this for? It's good, Mom.